During the few years of the coronavirus pandemic, most of us upped our game when it came to washing hands. But as KENS 5's Jeremy Baker reports in tonight's Verify, you need to think about what happens to your hands when you go dry them.
I see it all of the time at the gym, people using the bathroom and not washing their hands. But for those that do wash their hands, listen up. That brings us to tonight's claim. Is it true that if you don't dry your hands fully after washing, they could transmit germs more easily? Our sources for this Verify are Dr. Jason Bowling, an infectious disease specialist with University Health and a professor of infectious diseases with UT Health San Antonio, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Dr. Bowling says making sure your hands are fully dry after washing is a must.
The process of drying your hands actually helps to remove more of the germs from your hands, and the drying can actually inactivate or kill some of the germs that are left behind that the hand washing didn't take care of. Whereas when it's wet, they can still sit in that layer on your hand and be transferred to something else.
On the CDC's hand washing page, it reads, germs can be transferred more easily to and from wet hands. Therefore, hands should be dried after washing. However, the best way to dry hands remains unclear because few studies exist about hand drying. So yes, it is true. If you don't dry your hands fully after washing, they could transmit germs more easily. The CDC also says because so few studies exist about the type of hand drying, and in those studies the results conflict, use a clean towel or an air dryer as your best options. For the Verified team, Jeremy Baker, KENS 5.